To control the length of material, you can come here. You can see 100% means each hair that is corresponding to this guide is 100% of length of this. If you set it, for example, a lower number, it's going, for example, a half. The hair nav is the half of the guide, the length of the hair. Okay, you can see completely here. Oh, sorry, it's unchecked. You have to check that. And now if you render, the hair must be here. You can see it's half of the guide. The length of the guide. You can see you can control the length of the guide here. 100% means the hair length is 100 centimeter or any number that you type there. 100% is achieved, and with a variation, you can control the length variation of the hair. You can see? Yeah, variation lengths of the any number that you want. But do not make it 100%. Lower the number to see better this variation. And the amount is overall amount of this effect. You can control that. Okay, this with this variation, you can control the length of. You can make it by default. You can control the length of the overall texture projection on this hair plane or any object with a texture with a black and white code. For example, the most thing that I use the noise. It control the length of the object, not allowing the guide projection perpendicular to that. You can see better at this view. When we make it 2D texture, make sure that is in 2D exactly. And in the let's make it more contrasting. And you can see in the more scale, you can see in the black area, you can see better here. In a black area, we don't have any length, 0, and it smoothly go to white area that is 100% of length that you type there. So you can control length, and don't forget you can assign the animation to noise or any other type of the noise that you want. You can click here and you can animate them. Nice. I explained it before. You can go to there, and that's it. You can control the length of your hair with this setting. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.